Well, when we started trolling today, I realized that the color choice is really pretty simple, and so was the bait. Every bait that we put in was minnow style bait, number 11s, number 9s, and they really were all pretty natural. You know, I've heard people say any color as long as it's fire tiger on the Mississippi River. I think Dwayne will basically say any color as long as it's natural when it comes to Lake Oahe. It makes sense. These fish are going to their summer home. The reason they're going there is to chase smelt around and eat them. So as you can see, these are perfect imitators. As far as glide bait selections, number 1 is it's the heaviest glide bait you can get. This is a size 9, which is kind of the standard biggest size of a glide bait you can buy, but this is 1 ounce and 3/8. So when you're fishing in depths from 20, even all the way out to 40 feet sometimes, especially with active target, it can be kind of an anxious moment waiting for your bait to get down, especially when you add the standardized wind and even some current on Lake Oahe. You know, there's gonna be a lot of line bow, but the 1 ounce and 3/8 really allows you to cut down on all of that and get down right to the fish and make them make that simple decision. Yes or no, do you wanna bite it? So color selections are kind of the same. You know, chrome style stuff when it's bright and sunny, and then a little bit of flash like this Uncle Rico, you know, white side with a purple back when you got cloud cover. So next time you're in Lake Oahe, when it comes to colors, keep it simple, keep it natural, and I think you'll be going big also, or you can just go home.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.